Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. Pause the video, try this question, and I will talk this through when you're ready. So, whenever you get a question like this and you have this numerator and you have more than one term, it's a good idea to put these brackets like this. Now, I have two different denominators on the left hand side, so obviously it makes sense to get them to the same denominator. Now I can clearly see I can easily convert this 2 and 3 to 6. So all I need to do is I need to multiply this one by 3. But because this is a fraction, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. And I do the same thing to the other side. You need to multiply it by 2 like that. Now 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times y is 3y. Add 3 times 2 is 6. Add 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times y is 2y. Add 2 times 4 is 8 is equal to 4. Now I can see as common denominator 6 and I can get all of them thing to the same line. 3y, add 6, add 2y, add 8 is equal to 4. Now 3y here and 2y here are like terms. So let's combine these two. 3y add 2y is obviously 5y. Then 6 add 8 is 14. Now the division 6 here, I can move to the other side where it becomes multiplication 6. So I get 4 multiplied by 6. So 5y add 14 is equal to 6 times 4 is 24. I can move the 14 to the other side. So I get 5y is equal to 24, take away 14. So 5y is equal to 10. Now obviously I need to divide both sides by 5, divide this side by 5. These two gets cancelled out. So I know the value of y is 10 divided by 5, 2. That's the final answer.